Copy it, copyright. Posey! Posey! What's up, guys? Grand Rising Kings and Queens. What's happening, Royal Family? What's going on, family? I gotta get hot with it. Gotta get hot with it. It's another day. It's another day in the neighborhood. It's another day. It's another day in the neighborhood. Something like that. I don't know. But guys, what's going on? What is popping? Today is another vlog. And as you see in that thumbnail, doing a little DIY stuff. Oh, do it yourself. So you wondering why my kitchen cabinet is off. I'm gonna explain that. Excuse me. So guys, I'm deciding to just change my kitchen cabinets. It's a little boring now. I had some contact paper that I purchased before, which I had these kitchen cabinets like in white contact paper about a year or two ago. So now this year I'm about to do the same thing, but it's gonna be black. We're going black this time, okay? So since y'all seen I've been doing a lot of black and gold, so now I'm just gonna do the kitchen and try to make the cabinets them black. And I'm doing it myself. I'm doing it myself. I'm not gonna pay nobody to do it. Go ahead and just try it out like I did last time and just do it myself. Because we could do anything if we just put our minds to. Shout out to Miss Do It Yourself. Hey, shout out to Miss Do It Yourself. She be over there doing her some DIY as well. She be putting stuff together. I don't know how I'm gonna get through this, but I'm gonna try my best. So I'm gonna just bring you guys along with me while I go ahead and do my cabinets. First thing first, I'm removing them all off, all of the cabinets doors. I'm removing them off. I gotta clean them down, so I'm gonna do that, and I'm just, you know, bring you guys along with me. And I'm also doing a short for that, so if whatever you guys don't see on this, you might see on my shorts. So go check out the short as well. So yeah, so let's get it started, guys. Let's get into this video, and I'm gonna just start taking down all of my kitchen doors like I was saying, guys. If you guys done this before, let me know down in the comments, and let's do this together. Excuse me, let's do this together, guys. So I'm gonna, like I say, I was gonna clean everything down, and let's get it going. It's gonna be a lot of work. I don't know if I'm gonna finish this in one day, but oh, besides that, guys, I also had bought some little backsplash to go in the back, guys, from the Dollar Tree. I had bought some backsplash from the Dollar Tree. Let me show you some gold backsplashes, and it's just gonna go on the back of the wall so it don't look so plain. But it was cute. It's only $1.25, guys, but it's a bargain. It's cute. Look at it. It's just gonna go like this or something on the wall. We're gonna hope. We hoping for the best on how it look. And guys, lucky that these are, you know, repositionable paper, so I could just peel it right back off. If I don't use it, I could just replace it and redo it all the time, and it's not gonna mess up your paint and everything. Especially if you're a renter, you know, you could use these, and you could take it off as you go. So it's from the dollar store. I also got my contact paper I got the contact paper not from the dollar store, but I got it from off of Amazon. It just came in yesterday. So yeah, this is the black I'm using for the cabinets. So pray for me, guys. And I also gonna add some the handles. I'll be adding some handles, some door handles to the cabinet as well, just switching it up. So yeah, let's get on this journey with me, guys.
Rampage, 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 did that, did that, did that,
pocketbook. I don't know, guys. These the other ones I have put up. I don't know if I showed it to you guys. I'm gonna have to do that other one over. That's some black. This is a lot, guys. And oh, I'm trying to get copyright. Well, this is what I got so far, guys. These I have to do this over. One of them I'm gonna have to do over because that one is a little messed up. See the bubble pockets in it? I'm gonna have to do that over, guys. And I'm running out of paper. And this, I think this is 200 and something feet. gonna put it in the description. But I think it's like 200 and something feet. And I only did 4 doors out of that. So I have to order more. So this is gonna be a part 2. Because I'm gonna have to order more. Yep, so let me just put the, I'll probably put some black in between. I gotta put the black, I was trying to put gold, like put gold in between the lining. I don't know how that's gonna look. It don't look so bad because the way this look now with the gold, have that looking like a gold, but even though it's wood. I'm trying to see what y'all think. Comment down below. Should I put the gold? I don't know. By the time I get this video up, I probably don't fix it and do whatever I had to do to it, but yeah. So let me just hook this up and show you guys when I come back. Commercial. Let me do a quick unbox with you guys. I know this ain't the video for it, but I need my handle, so I don't know which bag it in for the handles. This is my daughter's stuff. Unboxed it. Oh, this is the handles. These are the handles that I'm putting on. So y'all can see. Look. So these are the plastic gold handles. These are the gold handles I'll be applying onto here like this. I just think it's so cute. And give it an extra style to it. Yeah! I'm excited! Oh, I got Nikki on. So commercial. Alright guys, so far look what I have. This, look at it. Look at it. Very cute. It's working. Let me go. Commercial. I did over this one, but you could still see like the lining in it a little bit. Just couldn't get it to stick, y'all. Just couldn't get it right. Just couldn't get it right. Can't get right. Show what movie was that? Y'all let me know. Comment below. Can't get right. Especially if y'all my age. I don't know what that is. Can't get right. Put it in the comments. Let me know. What I got so far, guys. I'm excited to do the rest. I ran out of paper, so now I have to wait till the other contact paper comes in. I should have just ordered 2, but being cheap, and I thought it was gonna be enough because it was like over 200 and something feet, or I think 300 or something, but we'll put that in the description once I find out what that was. What was the length. But yeah, this is what we have so far, guys. I ain't finished. I have to wait a few days or maybe tomorrow till the other contact people come in. So we're gonna wait on that and postpone on this to finish the rest. So today is Friday, so April something. I don't know. Oh yeah, now I don't know where we at. April 25th. Today's April 25th. It's Friday, April 25th. So hopefully by next week it should be here. But let's get started on the, what they call these? Backsplash. I'm so tired. So these are little backsplash I found from dollar store. So I'm going to see how that's going to look. So let's stay tuned. Let's see how it's going to look, guys. Hold on. So I do have to unscrew this. Bring zoom in just a tad. So I have to unscrew. Oh. That's not even a
Rampage. 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 Did that. Did that. Did that.
Yeah.